What's up, Juggalos? Today is December 6th, Friday. I bring to you my Mobstyle Cyber Monday package. I just got it in the mail today. So, unboxing for you guys. Oh, I forgot to take that out. Y'all don't need to see that. So, Bukshot featuring Jazzy Fa. Ready or not? Never been sold on the Mobstyle web store. Check that out. Here we go. The Buckshot autographed. Old school, look how young he looks. I got two flats. And the Ready or Not vinyl. Let's see. No, I'm not really big on vinyl, but so here you go. Back to the Ville or Tear the Roof Off, featuring Gangsta Black on side B. Side A, Ready or Not Club Radio version, Ready or Not Instrumental, Ready or Not Acapella. So that is my Mobstyle Cyber Monday sale package. As usual, this is how I support the underground artists. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Thanks for the speedy delivery, Buckshot. Whoop whoop. Much clown love.